So yes, good morning students. So I hope you all are safe at your place. Yes. So now let's start today's session. So now anyone tell me that what we had done in previous class, that what we have started, what we had done, any idea? Yes, very good. So I will give you one hint. Yes. Yes, students. So now tell me. Nylon was prepared from water, air, coal, all of this. Yes. So all of these are the right answer. So the nylon are prepared from what? Water, coal, and air. So the all of these are the right. Yes. So the rayon is prepared by chemicals. So this one is a true or false. Yes, so this one is a true. Rayon is prepared by the chemicals. Yes, so we have done with the nylon, rayon, polyester. Yes, so in previous class we had done with these all three topics. So now come to the today's session. Okay, so okay, students. Okay, so now tell me these products are made up of what? Yes, in front of you there is some some products. So now you tell me that what you observe from this picture. Yes, yes, these are some products which are made up of, yes, plastic bottle, plastic glass, plastic container, plastic, yes, polythene bag, okay, yes, polythene made up of this polythene. Yes, these all are balti, we can say that these all are the products made up of what? Plastic. Yes, so yes, student, you all are right that our next topic is what? Plastic. So the plastic attack a lot. Yes, plastic. So the plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fibers. Yes, so the all plastic do not have the same types of arrangement of unit. In some, like it is linear, whereas in other it is a cross linked. Yes, so the plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets, or made into wires. So that is why it finds such as a varieties of uses. Yes, there is a variety. We can say that there is a lot of uses of plastic. There is a some we use we use this plastic as a like wire. It is used by many things. Yes, colored, melted, rolled into sheet are made up of wire. This way there is a lot of variety of uses of plastic. Yes, so now here is the thermoplastic. So what is thermoplastic? So now the plastic which gets the deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as what? Are known as thermoplastic. Like example polythene and पीवीसी. बहुत सारे आपने पीवीसी पाइप की एडवर्टीजमेंट देखी हो, तो ये जो पीवीसी लाइक इसको इजिली हीट भी नहीं होता एंड इट इज कैन बी बेंट इजिली आर नॉन एज व्हाट? So thermoplastic, the plastic which get deformed easily and heating, yes, heating easily, so that is bent easily or known as what? Thermoplastic. So what is the example of thermoplastic? The example of thermoplastic is what? Polythene and PVC. These are some example of this. So the what are the characteristic of plastic? Yes, there is behind everything there is some characteristic. There is some properties of that. So the here is the characteristic of plastic. So first one is plastic is non-reactive. Yes, it is. We all know that plastic is non-reactive. It not react anything So the plastic is a light, strong, and durable. Yes, we can say that the plastic is the durable, that and it is also light in weight and is strong also. Yes, so that's why we use plastics. Yes, so the plastic is a poor conductor of heat. So we all know that the plastic is the poor conductor of हीट प्लास्टिक में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होता है वो पास नहीं होता है यस सो दीज आर सम characteristics of plastic okay so now here is question in front of you so the plastic is reactive or non-reactive so what we fill in this yes fill this blank so plastic is what reactive or non-reactive. Yes, very good student. So the plastic is what? Plastic is non-reactive. So the answer is B. Okay. Plastic is what? Plastic is non-reactive. Okay. So second question is in front of you. So the properties of plastic. What are the different properties of plastic? I already discussed in previous slide also that what are the properties of this plastic that like durable, light, strong, or all of these. Yes. Yes, so all of these are the right answer. Yes, so I hope you all give the right answer. So the durability plastic are the durable, light in weight and is strong also. Yes, so these all are the right. Yes, students. So yes, so now here is some picture in front of you. So now you observe it carefully and then tell me what you see. Yes. Yes, students. Okay, there is a garbage inside the plastic. कचरा है plastic फेंका हुआ है. Okay, there is some vegetable waste is there. Yes, there is the apple which is जो कि खराब हो रहा है. Yes, there is a dustbin which shows the biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Yes, these are the things which you see in your screen. Yes, student. So now tell me that here is the yes, students. So the biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Yes. So what are the biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials? So a material that decompose through the naturally process. Yes, which is decomposed by the natural process. It is called what? Biodegradable. And the material that are not easily decomposed by the natural, that process is called what? Termed as a non-biodegradable. Yes, student. Now it's clear to all. So that biodegradable means what? Which is easily decompose. We can say that like जो vegetable waste होता है, जो fruits waste होता है और कुछ like कुछ भी ऐसा waste जो easily we can say that decompose हो जाता है, then this is called what? Biodegradable. But there is some products which is not easily biodegradable, which is not uh, not decompose in the soil, so that is called what? Non-biodegradable. So there here is some example of that. So biodegradable like fruits, paper, these all are what? Biodegradable. Yes, these all are easily decomposed. But the non-biodegradable is the plastic tin. These are the very we all know that these are not decomposed easily. Yes, these are some product which not decompose easily. So now here is some question in front of you. So the material that decompose through natural processes. So now you will give me the answer. I think you all know that in previous slide we also discussed that material which is decomposed through natural process. Yes, so that is called what? That is called biodegradable. Yes, biodegradable. So the material that are not easily decomposed by the naturally process is called what? Is dash. So now you fill it this blank. Yes, so the non-biodegradable, yes, the material that are not easily decomposed or by natural process, that is called what? That is called non-biodegradable. There is some example also like plastic tin. These are some example which is come under the natural, I mean non-biodegradable. Okay, so now see this carefully, and now you explain me or say me, tell me that what you observe in this picture. Yes, what pictures from what you depict from this picture. Yes, that any idea that what you have seen in this picture? Okay, garbage. Okay, river which is very dirty. पानी है जिसमें बहुत सारा कचरा फेंका हुआ है, प्लास्टिक बोतल्स फेंके हुए हैं, गार्बेज है. यस, you see that. So now here is the environment other topic, that here is the environmental effect on plastic. Yes, that how the plastic impact, or how the plastic gives what are the effects on environment, we can say that. Okay, so the plastic takes several years to decompose. Yes, we all know that the plastic takes so many lots of time to decompose. Yes, and we know that plastic not decompose easily, so it is not even environment friendly. Yes, we all know that the plastic is not environment friendly. Yes, and it cause pollution lot of, we can say that the plastic produce lot of pollution. So the burning process in the, like in synthetic material, is quite slow, and it does not get the complete burn easily. So the जो, so we can say that like जो synthetic materials होते हैं, तो वो burning के process में वो बहुत ही स्लो बर्न होते हैं. सो द, और वो क्या होता है ना कि वो पूरे अच्छे से कंप्लीटली बर्न भी नहीं हो पाते, तो वी कैन से दैट द it also produce lot of pollution. Yes, so that it releases lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution in the process. So the like we जब हम उसे बर्न करने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो ये जो प्लास्टिक होते हैं ना, वी नो दैट, अगर आपने देखा होगा कि कभी प्लास्टिक जलाते हैं तो उससे कितने सारे धुआं निकलता है ना, तो वो भी क्या करता है, वो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर को खराब करता है, पोल्यूशन करता है, हमारे हेल्थ को भी इवन इफेक्ट करता है वो. यस, so these are some effect of plastic in environment. Okay, so now here is the question. So the implement the 4R principle in everyday life. So for following are the 4Rs. Yes, we all know that the implement the 4R principle in our everyday life. So what are the first one is reduce, then reuse, that is, then recycle and recover. So these are 4R principle which we implement in our daily life, everyday life. Yes, so reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Yes, okay. So now recapitulation time. So the in this chapter we have learned about what different type of plastic. Yes, different type of plastic, that how its effect on environment, that what are the biodegradable, what are the non biodegradable, that what are the example of biodegradable and non biodegradable. So what is the biodegradable? Yes. Yes, the biodegradable is what which is decomposed easily. Yes, which is decomposed by the natural process or by decompose easily. So what second one is the, what are the 4R? So what are the example also? Now give me the some examples. So what are the example of some biodegradable? So there is a fruit, vegetable. With these are something which are easily biodegradable. So the what are the 4R? Yes, so first one is reduce, then reuse, then recycle, then recover. Yes, these are the 5R. Yes, these are the 5R. So now here is homework in front of you. So create two types of dustbin for biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. Yes, at your home you go. This is one activity. Go first. You go at your home. Then you what you do first. You do two container, and you make a dustbin that, and write in one bucket like biodegradable, and one bucket is right non-biodegradable, and put everything according to it. Yes, so now thank you students, stay safe at your home. So we will meet you next in next class. So thank you.